Hi everyone. In this video, I will be discussing about the top 10 basic essential accessories for a car. So, if you have bought a new car or you want to spice up your existing car with new and useful accessories, then you should definitely watch this video till the end. I have personally used most of the products in this list and I can vouch for their quality and performance. I will be discussing briefly about each of the product and I shall try to explain why you should buy each of these products for your car. For more detailed information, you can check the product page. The links to all the products are available in the description section. So, let's get started with our top one product, which is the car charger. This is one of the most important accessories for any new car. Using this product, you can charge your phones, tablets, power banks, and other electronic gadgets, or even power your dash cams. All cars come with one or more cigarette lighter sockets where you can plug this car charger to charge or power your devices. This particular product comes with dual USB ports where one of the ports support fast charging, and it also comes with a free micro USB cable. So, if you are using a device which requires micro USB port, then you need not buy a separate cable for it. Also, it's a universal charger which supports all standard USB cables. The second product is the Type-C cable. You can plug this cable to the car charger or an USB port available in your car to charge or power your electronic devices which have the Type-C port. This cable supports fast charging when used along with the car charger product. It has sufficient length which makes it easy to keep the charging device at a distance if required. Most importantly, it is a braided cable, which means it's sturdy and it won't get tangled, and it can be easily stored in your car's glove box compartment along with the other cables. Coming to the third product, which is the iOS cable. This product is similar to the previous product, but this is an iOS compatible cable and works with all portable iOS devices such as iPhones, iPods, and iPads. According to me, you should keep all the three types of cables, micro USB, Type-C, and iOS cable in your car because you never know when they can come in handy, especially if you're planning to go on long trips with your family and friends, since they may have different devices with different kinds of charging ports. The fourth product is the aux cable. This is another useful product which comes handy when you want to play music or audio directly from the 3.5 mm jack of any device. This product has extra long length and is braided as well to prevent tangling of the cable. The fifth product is the car phone holder. This is a very useful product if you want to have easy access to your phone like for navigation during driving. This phone holder can be attached to the windscreen or the dashboard according to your preference. The phone can be easily mounted or dismounted with the given mechanism, and it allows for 360-degree arm movement, which means you can view your phone in landscape or portrait mode for convenience. The sixth product is the car trash bin. This is a must-have product in your car. It's basically a small and portable trash can which can be placed in any big cup holder of the car. It has a spring-based opening lid through which we can put our waste like paper, plastic, tissues, etc. And you can empty the trash can in a suitable place when it gets filled. It's a small part which goes a long way in helping our car and environment stay clean and waste free. So please do keep one or more of this in your car and use it. Coming to the seventh item, which is car perfume. It is also called as car air freshener. It helps to keep the interior of the car smelling good and eliminates bad odor which may build up over time. It is completely safe to use, and this gel-based solution lasts up to 45 days. It comes with a double-sided tape using which it can be placed firmly on the dashboard or inside any large-sized cup holder of the car. These are refillable and you can choose from the various available fragrances according to your preference. The eighth item is the car seat gap filler. The gap filler is a useful product which helps to fill the gap between the front seats and the center console. It prevents you from accidentally dropping any items like phone, key, coins, etc. into the gap adjacent to the front seats, which is mostly a difficult area to access. The gap filler is made up of flexible PU leather material and it comes in different colors which you can select to match the seat color of your car. It can be attached to the front seat belt socket which would prevent it from moving even when you slide the front seats back or forward. The ninth item is the tissue box. Now this is one of my personal favorite. I have one of this in all of our cars. It looks premium and goes well with the interior of any car. It can hold a standard pack of face tissue sheets and comes with a magnetic flap which allows for easy access to add more tissue packs. The 10th and the final item is the tissue pack. These are soft touch facial tissues which are of good quality and comes with a decent outer box. If you do not want to invest on the tissue box, then you can just buy these and place them as it is with the outer box, which has an opening on the top to access the tissue sheets. Apart from personal hygiene, these tissues can come handy in many situations like for cleaning the car's mirrors or glasses or interiors when they get dirty and you do not have a clean cloth at your disposal. That's it for this video. Hope you found this video useful. If you did, don't forget to give it a like and please do consider subscribing to this channel for more such content. Also, there are many alternatives for each category of the products shown in this list, from which I have selected the best product according to my personal usage and overall quality and ratings. The links to all these products are available in the description section of this video. Thanks a lot for watching.